Okay. Stop. No, no. Oh my gosh.
Hey, why is your nose below your mouth?
Because I was born like this. It's genetic. Yummy.
Don't eat your eyes. Bad, Daniela.
So, how's life? I just woke up from this terrible dream. I was having a nightmare. It was like me with these glasses. I was eating. Oh my god, these glasses.
So, what's up? It's Daniela's hair.
Okay, well, we're gonna go. Peace out, people.